in my kitchen. Look how cute. I have this little oil diffuser. But I have to tell you something. Last night, I don't even know what time it was, but probably early in the morning, I heard like a woman scream, and then I heard like an owl hooting. It scared me so bad. Okay, so I'm wearing this like poster girl bodysuit, but I put my favorite skirt that I wear too much, but I don't care, and this belt, and then these really cute like cowgirl boots with like crosses and angel wings, and that's what I look like, and I don't care that I wear this all the time because it's just so dang cute. So I'm gonna go and meet up with some other grad students, go to a bar, and yeah. I'm at my new friend. His name is John.
She's TikToking, I think.
I'm not TikToking.
We were really close when we were kids. I didn't know.
Like who came to Georgia? My mom. I just did some like work for my project, and I'm gonna go home. I'm excited because I have a package from this hair extension company, and I really want to show you guys. So I'm gonna go home and do my hair. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do and like how to put them in and everything. So that's what we're about to go do. It's been a few days. I'm getting settled. I'm getting into the routine of like my new life, but I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing for Irresistible Me, and this is what it looks like. But I'm not gonna lie, I took these out already, so when it comes, it is much more like organized in a hairnet, and it's the packaging is like really cute and everything. They give you like samples of the hair to see if it really matches your hair so that you can try it before you dedicate yourself to it. And it also comes with these like extra clips in case the clips on the hair extensions fall off. And you can see that my hair is lightened a lot, but when I originally ordered these when I lived in New York, my hair was a darker red because I glazed it, and it is growing out, so I'm gonna have to redo my hair. But I actually really do like the contrast between like my very ginger hair and these dark red extensions. They're really long. I got, I think, the longest inches that they have. I love wearing these. I've actually worn them a few times before, and I have a post on my Instagram where my hair looks really long because I have these extensions in them. You can cheat if you don't actually have long hair. You can just pretend you have long hair. I just want to say thank you to Irresistible Me for sending me this because I actually love these so much. And then I have a bunch of information in my description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing some extensions. I suggest using my link so that you get a discount for them because they're so high quality that they are on the pricier side. But if you're gonna go with a hair extension, I would recommend not going cheap with synthetic hair. It does look different from natural human hair, so I would recommend this company because they also do like a really great color match for you, and it's just the quality is really important if that's something that you care about. If it's not, then do whatever you want. Good morning. It's the next day. I woke up very early because I went to take my dog for a walk, and also okay? But also because I have to get ready to go to like a couple gallery openings for Atlanta Art Week. So I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm probably gonna do my hair extensions with Irresistible Me. I wanna do something fun. I have to pick out an outfit. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. I think I'm gonna wear this Skims dress. Plain, but it's still kind of glamorous. I'm not sure. This is what I think I'm gonna wear. Okay, so I did my makeup and I have an hour until I have to leave. I just kind of went for like soft glam, like shimmery kind of. Hopefully that worked, but I also don't think I'm gonna wear this. So I think I have to change, but I also want to do my hair. So with the extensions, so I'm gonna straighten my hair, which I do a lot, which is actually not good for your hair. But, oh, there's 2 hair ties in here. Okay, hang on. My hair kind of like is like wavier. So I have to use a lot of heat protectant so I don't damage it. But I'm gonna straighten it because I want to use the extensions. So I will show you guys what it looks like as I'm doing the process. I curled my hair instead and I didn't brush it out yet. So don't say anything about it, okay? Because I'm gonna curl the extensions too. And I am gonna use heat protector on my extensions just like I do on my hair. But right now I have to go get my laundry out of the dryer in the basement, so. But this is my actual hair and then I'm gonna curl the extensions and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm so excited though. Okay, so I put in the extensions. It took me a long time to curl. I clipped it to a towel on a rack and then I just like took a strand and curled it. But I only used the 4 weft clip, so it's like thick and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks. I just put that in the back. I really feel like I only needed 1, but this is like what the back looks like. It looks so long and like so pretty, and oh, I'm so happy I curled. But I'm also kind of late and I don't want to wear this dress anymore, so I'm gonna change and then we have to go. This is cute. I think this is cute.
Yeah, most of my stuff is
That was actually so cute, and I met up with a friend who's in one of my classes, and also a professor was there. So it's good because now he knows that I'm doing my assignments, like going to artist talks and stuff. So I'm probably gonna go home and just relax with my dog and literally do nothing else. But look how cute this hair looks, right? Like how fun. My little outfit that I changed into. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.